Have you ever felt like the world is changing faster than you can keep up? 1 minute, we're talking about smartphones, and the next, it's AI that can write poetry and create art. Well, buckle up, because what's coming next is going to make the last decade look like slow motion. We are standing on the brink of a monumental shift, a period I'm calling the 2026 economic revolution. This isn't just about new gadgets. It's a complete rewiring of how we earn, spend, and live. It's about money, markets, and machines. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how these three forces are converging to create a new economic reality. Let's start with the first M, money. For centuries, money has been something you can hold, printed by governments and stored in banks. But that's changing, and fast. Digital currencies are no longer a niche topic for tech enthusiasts. We're talking about central bank digital currencies, or CP. Imagine your national currency, but fully digital, living on a secure network run by the central bank. By 2026, several major economies will likely have either launched or be in the final stages of piloting their own CBDCs. What does this mean for you? Well, for starters, transactions could become instantaneous and almost free. Sending money across borders, which now takes days and costs a fortune in fees, could happen in seconds. This will be a game changer for international business and for families sending money back home. It also opens the door to what we call programmable money. Imagine a government stimulus payment that can only be spent on essentials like food and housing, or a company bonus that unlocks only after you hit a certain performance goal. The possibilities are staggering, and they will reshape everything from social welfare to corporate incentives. This isn't a far-off sci-fi concept. The foundations are being laid right now. But it's not just about government-backed digital cash. The world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, continues to evolve. While it's had its wild ups and downs, the underlying technology is maturing. By 2026, expect to see a more regulated, user-friendly version of DeFi, integrating with traditional finance. Think of getting a loan, earning interest, or insuring your assets without ever stepping into a bank or talking to a broker. Instead, you'll interact with smart contracts, self-executing agreements that run on a blockchain. This will bring financial services to millions who are currently unbanked and create a more competitive, transparent financial ecosystem. The very definition of a bank is about to be challenged. Now, let's move on to our second M, markets. The places where we buy and sell everything, from stocks to groceries, are undergoing a radical transformation. The driving force, data and AI. Today's markets are already fast, but the markets of 2026 will be predictive. AI algorithms will be able to analyze vast amounts of data satellite imagery of shipping ports, social media sentiment, real-time supply chain, information to predict market movements with a level of accuracy we've never seen before. For investors, this means the end of gut feelings and hot tips. Sophisticated AI-powered tools will become accessible not just to huge hedge funds, but to everyday retail investors. Your investment app won't just show you stock prices. It will offer personalized, data-driven insights, helping you navigate market volatility. It will be like having a team of Wall Street analysts in your pocket. But it's not just financial markets. The consumer market is also being reinvented. Companies will no longer guess what you want. They will know. Hyper-personalization will be the norm. Imagine your smart fridge noticing you're low on milk and automatically ordering it from the store that has the best price and fastest delivery time based on real-time traffic data. The ad you see on a digital billboard won't be for everyone. It'll be for you, tailored to your recent purchases and even your current mood, inferred from public data. This creates a hyper-efficient market where waste is minimized and consumer needs are met almost before they arise. It will change the very nature of branding and advertising, shifting the focus from mass appeal to individual connection. The companies that thrive in this new environment will be the ones that can master data and use it to create truly seamless and personalized customer experiences. This brings us to our final and perhaps most powerful M, machines. I'm not just talking about robots on an assembly line. I am talking about intelligent automation and the next generation of AI, permeating every facet of our economy and our jobs. By 2026, the AI revolution will be in full swing, moving beyond simple tasks to handle complex, creative, and strategic work. Think about the job market. Many roles that involve repetitive data entry, analysis, or coordination will be automated. This might sound scary, but it's also a massive opportunity. It will free up human workers to focus on what we do best: critical thinking, complex problem solving, emotional intelligence, and genuine creativity. The jobs of 2026 won't be about following instructions. They will be about defining problems, leading teams, and innovating. We will see the rise of the Centaur workforce, a hybrid of human and AI collaboration. A doctor won't be replaced by an AI. Instead, she will use an AI assistant that can instantly analyze patient data review the latest medical research and suggest potential diagnoses, allowing her to spend more time on patient care and complex diseases. A software developer will write code alongside an AI partner that can debug, optimize, and even generate entire functions, dramatically increasing productivity. This machine-driven productivity boom is the engine of the 2026 economic revolution. It has the potential to create unprecedented wealth and solve some of our biggest challenges, from curing diseases to combating climate change. It will enable us to do more with less, creating a world of abundance we can only dream of today. The key will be ensuring that the benefits of this revolution are shared broadly. So, how do these three forces, money, markets, and machines, come together? It's a feedback loop. Digital money makes markets more efficient. AI-driven markets generate vast amounts of data that train better machines. And these intelligent machines create the new products and services that we buy and sell with our new forms of money. It's a self-reinforcing cycle that will accelerate the pace of change exponentially. For example, a small business in 2026 could use an AI to design a new product. It could then raise funds globally through a DeFi platform using a stable. Its supply chain would be managed by an autonomous logistics network, and its marketing would be hyper-targeted to individual consumers in real time. This entire process, which once required a huge corporation, will be accessible to anyone with a good idea and an internet connection. This is the democratization of entrepreneurship on a global scale. So, what can you do to prepare? The most important skill in the new economy will be adaptability. Lifelong learning isn't just a buzzword, it's a survival strategy. Start getting familiar with these concepts. You don't need to be a coder or a financial expert, but understanding the basics of digital currencies, data analysis, and AI will be as essential as knowing how to use the internet as today. Focused on developing your uniquely human skills: communication, collaboration, empathy, and creativity. These are the areas where machines will struggle to compete. Think about how AI can be a tool to augment your work, not replace it. Be curious, ask questions, and don't be afraid of change. The 2026 economic revolution will be disruptive, no doubt about it. But for those who are prepared, it will also be a time of incredible opportunity and progress. The future is arriving faster than ever, and it's powered by money, markets, and machines. Thanks so much for watching. What part of this economic revolution excites or worries you the most? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of our world. See you in the next one.